So we're coming up on this leak detection here. This is a hot tub, Spa Venturi's. We were called out on this job behind another company that obviously didn't know what they were doing. If you look, you can see they cut the deck up in a couple of areas. That whole big area on the backside, there's not even plumbing underneath there. So we don't know what we're up against, but we're gonna show you. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna put those lines under pressure, both air and water. Well, water first for pressure testing, then air and water. We're gonna locate it and see how we get it done. Check it out. So this is what we walked up on. They already had cut the pipe and in this one hole, and it's on the Spa Venturi's, the water portion. Over here they cut where there is no plumbing whatsoever. So now that we have the cut line, what we're gonna do is we're gonna send our camera in and take a look while we're doing so, but we're also gonna do it to locate where that pipe is. Once our camera head's in there, now we're using our SON locator, and we're gonna trace out exactly where that pipe runs, and it comes on the backside underneath this rooting area that we see right here. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it under pressure with air and water. So now that we know where the pipe runs, we're gonna pump it up with pressure with water, see that it drop, then we're gonna hit it with air, and we're gonna get right over that sound of that boil that we're gonna pick up right underneath this grassy area over here. We're gonna dig it up and we're gonna expose what we found. This is what we found. It's 5.5 feet deep, but that's exactly where that actual leak was. You didn't have to do all this tearing, all this concrete breaking. It could have all been avoided if it was just done right to begin with. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.